Today, we're loading two brand new T930 model low height front end loaders. These models are the perfect machines for chicken houses. Why, you ask? Because they have exceptional power. They are only 2.2 meters high. They are designed and built to be as mechanical and straightforward as possible. They are easy to run and maintain. They are versatile. MCM installs the hydraulic quick hitch as standard. MCM offers a wide variety of attachments. The operator station is clutter-free and comfortable. MCM is the proud distributor of LGMA loaders in Southern Africa. Get in touch with one of our product specialists today. Get your poultry business to next levels of efficiency with the MCM T930 loaders today.